There are some mistakes that you are making as a beginner that stops your channel from growing. And one of them is not setting your channel the right way. The way you set your channel will determine whether the algorithm will favor your channel or not. Let's start by, first of all, choosing a name that describes what you do in your channel. You know, if you are teaching something like monetization, which name did you choose for your channel? It matters a lot. Secondly, your description. You need to describe your as in the description in your channel needs to tell viewers what your channel is all about. You know, when you want to start a channel, go to that description setting and tell the people that will come to your channel what you are doing in that channel, what they should be expecting. Take, for instance, you are teaching about YouTube monetization. You know that inside that YouTube monetization, you need to talk about how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to make algorithm favor you, how to, create interactive content that will make the viewers want to view more. Those are the things that you should be considering. So those are the kinds of things that will be in your channel. That in this channel, we give you all the trainings you need to grow your channel. Those things, just the best way to get the best description for your channel is go to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to give you a good description of your channel. Tell ChatGPT what your channel is all about. If it is about storytelling, they will tell you the best description for that. If you get it right, once algorithm reads it, they will know where to direct your video to or who to direct your video to. Then another thing you should consider in order for your channel to be getting attention and be growing is, you see this thumbnail. Some people are sleeping on that. They don't know the importance of thumbnail. See, take your time, as in design a thumbnail that is catchy, that anyone that sees your thumbnail will want to click. And make sure that when they click, that they watch at least to some extent. Don't just make a good video and post it there. People are attracted by what they see. If they see that your thumbnail and it is attractive, they will come for it. Yes. Then, when you design a very good thumbnail that attracts people, make sure that your video is also attractive. What I mean by attractive is that, let's say that you are teaching about monetization, and make sure that that title that you put in your thumbnail is the same thing that you are talking about. So let's take, for instance, that in your thumbnail, you put how to get 4,000 watch hours faster. When you go to your main video, make sure that you started by telling them, your viewers, how to get that 4,000 watch hour without taking time to start. Hello viewers, this person, I'm that person. That introduction is not needed at the moment. If you want people to watch your video and watch it to some extent, please make sure that you start with the main topic of the day. Don't start with the greetings. They don't care to know who you are at the moment. What brought them to your channel is that topic, because they really want to know how to get the 4,000 watch hour to monetize. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. So make sure that whatever that you are teaching is what is in your thumbnail. Don't put one thing in the thumbnail and put another thing and start talking about another thing. It doesn't make sense. The person that click will just drop immediately, and that's why you will not have enough watch hour. Your retention value will be low. Apart from your video, the main video, another mistake that most beginners make that stops their channel from growing is not choosing a niche and stick to it. Yes, you need to choose a niche, and when you choose that niche, make sure that everything you are saying in your videos are related to that particular niche that you chose. By so doing, YouTube algorithm will know the right people to push your video to. See, one good thing about choosing a niche and sticking to it is that they already know who the people that needs that video, and they will be pushing it to the people. If you are the type that dives into different niches, that channel will never grow. The reason is because when YouTube algorithm pushes your video to a particular audience and they reject it, tomorrow you will do a different thing altogether. They will push it to a different kind of people. At some point, they will be confused they will confuse about the people that they should push your video to. But if you are the type that has a niche and everything you talk about in your video is based on that same niche, they already know the kind of people that they will push it to. And they will also notice that once they push that particular video to those people, the people will watch, they will engage, they will watch it very well. Tomorrow, they will still push it to the same person. But take, for instance, you are a YouTuber who creates content on monetization today, lifestyle tomorrow, storytelling the next day, faceless blogging faceless content the next day. To tell you the truth, algorithm will be confused, and once they became confused about your channel, they will not know the right people to push it to, and they will start picking your videos. This thing has happened to me over and over again, but recently there was this storytelling channel that I started. Because I focus only on storytelling, in less than 2 weeks I was able to get the 4,000 watch hour. Just one video gave me the 4,000 watch hour, and this same video gave me close to 400 subscribers, because I told myself that I must focus on one. I have learnt my lessons, because other channels that I was building, I was doing this one today, tomorrow I will do a different one. Anything that I think that will go far, I'll start doing that one. But it was affecting me because I keep getting low views. But once I started that storytelling, I told myself, even though I started it in an existing channel that I was doing general gist, but for 5 months I posted only one thing, which is that storytelling. It's all about story. And before you know it, that channel is monetized today. Like I told you, everything that I'm teaching you on this channel is based on experience. Yes, it's based on experience. If you choose one niche and focus on it, stick to it, definitely algorithm will start pushing your content, because they now know the right people to share your video to. But if you are trying different things in one channel, you will keep getting low views. Because they don't know where to push your video to. I don't know if I'm making sense. So another thing you should do is be consistent. As a beginner, you need to be consistent, so that those people who are coming to watch your content, they will know that if they come to you, they will get what they want. Not if you post today, maybe in the next 1 week you have not posted. If they come and see that you are not consistent, they will look for people who are always there to give them the information that they needed. Another thing is this: make sure that the title you are choosing for your videos are searchable. When you search them, when you go to the SEO, it will be among the videos that will surface. See, I'm giving you this. If you do it, it will help you. Whenever you want to post or make a video, go to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT, look at, this is what I want to talk about. What will be the right title that is searchable on YouTube for it? They will give you the right title for your video. If you do this consistently, I am telling you the reality, you are going to start getting views. Your channel will start getting attention. People will start watching and commenting, and before you know it, you'll start getting subscribers. People are saying that it is very hard to build a YouTube channel. It is not that hard. The reason is because most people, they don't know the way to go about it. So if you watch till this time, it simply means that you like what we are doing here. So do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more updates, and don't forget to ask your question under the comment section, okay? and share my video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.